Welcome to Best Choice. The best USB-C to Apple Pencil adapter is probably one of the most essential accessories for any iPad user who relies on their Apple Pencil for creativity, note-taking, or precise input, ensuring a seamless connection and charging experience without the hassle of traditional methods, making it an indispensable tool for artists, students, and professionals alike who demand efficiency and reliability in their digital workflow. Number 5. Stylus Pen for iPad 6th to 11th Gen. This active stylus is designed for a wide range of iPad models from 2018 to 2026. It works seamlessly with various iPad Pro, Air, and Mini generations, ensuring broad usability. Experience unparalleled accuracy with its fine 1.5mm pen tip, perfect for detailed tasks. It offers higher sensitivity and a more comfortable writing experience than traditional styluses. Enjoy a natural writing feel thanks to advanced palm rejection technology. This feature provides enhanced accuracy and control, allowing you to interact with your screen effortlessly. Get hours of use from just a short charge. A quick 5 to 20 minute charge provides 8 to 10 hours of work time, keeping you productive throughout the day. Activate it with a simple touch of the cap button. No complex pairing is required, just ensure Bluetooth is enabled on your iPad for immediate use. Please note that this stylus is not compatible with iPad models before 2018 or non-iPad devices. It also does not support magnetic attraction on the iPad 10th Gen. What we like. This stylus offers extensive compatibility across many iPad models, making it a versatile choice. Its palm rejection technology ensures a natural writing experience, and the fast charging feature means less downtime. If you're looking for a reliable, all-around stylus for various iPad generations and frequent use, this is a great option. What people say. It paired instantly with my iPad and the precision is spot on. The 2x fast charging is no joke, it saves me so much time. It feels solid in the hand and works perfectly for note-taking and digital art. It's very responsive and smooth, making writing and drawing feel natural and precise. There's no lag, and it's great for taking notes, sketching, or everyday use. I also love how fast it charges and how long the battery lasts. The design is sleek and lightweight, so it's comfortable to use for long periods. It charges super fast, lasts a very long time. I usually charge it about once a month even with heavy daily use. It sticks magnetically to the side of my iPad just like the real one. You tap the head twice to turn on and once to turn off. It connects via Bluetooth and works flawlessly. Number 4. Jelanry USB-C to Apple Pencil Adapter. Introducing the USB-C to iPencil adapter, designed to effortlessly pair and charge your Apple Pencil, first generation, with compatible iPads. It's the perfect solution for your creative workflow. Specifically engineered for iPad 10th and 11th generations, and iPad A16. This adapter ensures a precise fit, just like the original, for uninterrupted use. Experience stable and fast charging, along with a reliable Bluetooth connection for your Apple Pencil. It's a perfect replacement that guarantees performance. Using it is incredibly simple. Just plug your iPencil into one end and your iPad's USB-C charge cable into the other. It's that easy to get started. Its mini adapter design makes it incredibly easy to carry. Slip it into your bag, pocket, or case, and take it wherever inspiration strikes. We offer a 180-day friendly customer service for your peace of mind. If you encounter any issues, simply reach out to us for a satisfying solution. What we like. This adapter is specifically designed to bridge the gap for the iPad 10th generation and Apple Pencil 1st Gen. Its mini size makes it incredibly portable, and it ensures a stable connection for both charging and Bluetooth pairing. If you own an iPad 10th Gen and an Apple Pencil 1st Gen, this is the perfect, no-fuss solution. What people say. It works great and I haven't had issues with it. It's easy to use, and it works just like my iPad Pencil adapter. Neither the pencil nor the USB-C cord are a loose fit in the adapter and the charging speed is super fast. It works as intended. No difference in charge time from the original. Number 3. 3-pack USB-C to Lightning adapter kit for Apple Pencil 1st Gen. Connect your Apple Pencil 1st Gen to your iPad 10th Gen effortlessly. This adapter bridges the gap between the pencil's 8-pin connector and your iPad's USB-C port, ensuring a stable Bluetooth connection and charging functionality. Experience drawing and writing with unparalleled accuracy. These replacement tips offer high-pressure sensitivity and precise control, mimicking the feel of a real pencil for detailed work without lag. Never lose your pencil's cap again. This magnetic replacement cap attaches firmly to the top of your pencil, preventing it from falling off and getting lost during use. Specifically designed for the iPad 10th Gen and compatible with a range of other iPad models. Ensure your device has a USB-C port for optimal performance. This 3-pack comes in a clear, portable case, making it easy to store and carry your essential accessories wherever you go. Perfect for use at home, office, school, or on the move. Get everything you need to keep your Apple Pencil 1st Gen working perfectly with your compatible iPad. This kit includes the adapter, replacement tips, and a magnetic cap for a complete accessory set. What we like. This package provides a comprehensive set of accessories, including a USB-C to Lightning adapter, replacement tips, and a magnetic cap. It's particularly tailored for the iPad 10th generation and Apple Pencil 1st Gen. If you need more than just an adapter and want essential replacements and a secure cap, this bundle offers excellent value and convenience. What people say. Was able to pair my pencil to my iPad. Once paired, worked perfectly. The best feature is the ability to use a USB-C cable to charge my pencil while I'm charging the iPad. Adapter fits the 1st Gen pencil snugly and allows charging with USB-C cable. Number 2. Jiunai USB-C to Apple Pencil 1st Gen adapter. Introducing the Jiunai adapter, designed to seamlessly connect your Apple Pencil 1st Gen with a USB-C cable. It's the perfect companion for your iPad 10th and 11th generation. Pairing your Apple Pencil is now easier than ever. Once connected, a Bluetooth pairing message will appear on your iPad. Simply tap Pair to get started. Charge your Apple Pencil using various USB-C power sources. This includes wall chargers, power banks, or even your laptop, offering flexibility wherever you are. If your Apple Pencil is completely out of battery, a quick 20 to 30-minute charge with our adapter is all you need to initiate Bluetooth pairing. This adapter is specifically engineered for the Apple Pencil 1st generation, ensuring a reliable and efficient charging and pairing experience. Please note that this adapter is for charging and Bluetooth pairing only. It does not support data transfer, audio transfer, or iPad charging. What we like. This adapter simplifies the process of connecting your Apple Pencil 1st Gen to newer iPads with USB-C ports. It focuses on enabling Bluetooth pairing and offers convenient charging from various sources. If your primary need is to easily pair and charge your Apple Pencil 1st Gen with an iPad 10th or 11th Gen, this adapter is a straightforward and effective choice. What people say. This device enabled use of Apple Pencil 1st generation on iPad 10th generation. This looks just like the original. Worked right away after plugging it in. Got an old Apple Pencil my mom didn't use anymore for a new iPad and this works perfectly. Number 1. Jelanry USB-C pencil adapter and nibs for Apple Pencil 1st Gen. Introducing a smart adapter designed to charge and pair your Apple Pencil 1st generation. It connects seamlessly to your iPad's USB-C port, making the process simple and convenient. Experience the same reliable Bluetooth pairing as the original. Just connect your pencil to the adapter and your iPad, click Pair when prompted, and you're ready to go. Forget about extra cables. This adapter allows you to charge and pair your Apple Pencil directly with your USB-C iPad or other compatible devices. Enjoy a smooth and responsive writing experience with our replacement nibs. They offer pixel-perfect precision, allowing for fine lines and subtle shading just like a traditional pencil. Its mini and compact design makes it easy to take anywhere. This accessory is designed for your convenience on the go. The package includes 2 replacement pencil tips compatible with both Apple Pencil 1st and 2nd generations, along with the USB-C to Lightning adapter. We offer a 180-day friendly customer service for your peace of mind. Contact us immediately if you have any questions about your purchase. What we like. This adapter is designed to both charge and Bluetooth pair your Apple Pencil 1st generation with compatible iPads, eliminating the need for an extra cable. It also comes with 2 replacement nibs for extended use. If you're looking for a simple, all-in-one solution to get your Apple Pencil 1st Gen working with your USB-C iPad and want spares, this is a practical pick. What people say. Works perfectly, nubs a bonus. It works and it's convenient, plus it comes with extra nubs. It pairs and charges. I did get the notification about the pairing, but I got excited and clicked it before taking a picture. Video shows me writing with the tip it comes with. It is a little scratchier sounding than the original tip, but it could be because it's still new and hasn't gotten worn down yet. First pick of the tip is the one it came with and second one is the original. Very similar, though I do think this tip is a tiny bit smaller. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.